Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to sign up for Margex. To sign up for a new Margex account, first of all, go ahead and download the Margex application on your Play Store or your App Store. Once it is done, open the app and you will be welcomed with this screen. To sign up and create a new account, look for the sign up button and tap on it. Inside Create Account form, you will need to enter your valid email and create a password. In the Enter Email text box, enter a valid email you have an access to. On the next field, create a strong password to secure your account. Now, click on this little box at the bottom to ensure that you are not residents of the countries where Margex doesn't provide this service and tap on Continue. On the next page, you'll need to verify your email. Go ahead and open up your email service provider's inbox. Make sure to open up the same inbox for your new email and then open up the verification email inbox that you received. Copy the code in it and paste it inside this confirm your email code text box within the Margex app. Or if you don't want to do that, you can also click on confirm your email inside your inbox. Soon after you do that, you will be able to verify your email for Margex. You will then be able to register for a new account. You can now sign in using the credentials that you used while signing up. Write down your email and then your password that you created for Margex. Finally, click on Log In and you will now be able to create a new account and you will end up in the home page. That's how you sign up for Margex. Once registered, you can deposit funds, trade cryptocurrencies, and explore Margex trading features. That is how you easily sign up for Margex in just a couple of steps. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.